Breaking news. Jamaica have a new crisis and it's serious. Somebody eat Miss Bev pudding and she find out. Stay tuned. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to 876 Culture News. The only news we're accurate sometimes. Top story tonight. A major investigation around in a St. Mary after Miss Bev pudding disappear. Witnesses say the thief was last seen running with 2 spoons. Residents describe him as greedy but swift. And now for the weather. Today's forecast: sun hot, rain rude, breeze disrespectful. If you have close on the line, I'm sorry for you. In traffic news, halfway tree lock again. Taxi man them farm them own lane where the government never approve. Call they me sue come lane. Use at your own risk. In community drama, 2 neighbors in a Portland still not talking after 1 borrow sugar and return salt. Them say it was an accident. Witnesses say that was pure wickedness. In sports, a man from Clarendon say him could be Usain Bolt if him did just train. Bolt declined comment, but was seen laughing. This has been 876 Culture News, where every day something foolish happen. Tune in tomorrow because Jamaica always have a next story waiting to bust. I saw it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.